ganda. Saan? Ito. Sides. Hi guys! Welcome to a weekly curated vlog. Decide kami ng best friend ko si Trish na mag-hiking sa Mount Mariglen. Breakfast. Hindi ako sanay kumain naman sa oras. Ako nga din, pero feeling ko, ipilitin talaga kasi alanganin siya. Guys, hindi ako nakapag-video ng una kasi it was so hard. Naka-pick 2 na kami, so we're going to pick 3. Ang ganda! Ha? 6:04. Kita mo saan? Saan? Flicker na. Ito, yung flicker. Ito. Go. Try mo humarap.
Paano makikita yung itsura natin dyan? Baka naman globong-globo ta. Ayan. Ayan, cute. Hindi mo tayo mga globo pala. Yun yung kalala.
Ano ba? Peak?
Going to peak 4 at 6 a.m. Tama ba?
At 6:06 a.m. Uy!
Ito talaga ang hirap.
Oo. Sobrang hirap nung peak 1 tsaka 2. Kala ko talaga, magbaback out na, no? Nakabahan na kami kasi parang yung hirap ng 1 at 2. Hindi siya doable. But it got better. Naman. Siguro sinuwerte lang din kami sa nasamahan naming joiner. Sobrang bubbly nila. Sobrang dami nilang energy. Ang ganda, pero kita niyo yun. That, sunog siya. Sinusunog talaga siya, no? Ang tarik niyan. Kapag mas matarik, mas mabilis yung taas. Pero mas kailangan mong magpahinga. So sometimes, going the longer route is a much better choice. Sunrise. Can you see? There.
Okay na yan. Huwag muna tayo magbasa.
Mount Mariglen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Mount Mariglen. 1, 2, 3, go. Mount Mariglen. Anong iyong thoughts?
Pick 1 and 2, 6 out of 10. Pick 3 to summit, 3 out of 10.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit,
grades mo sa Mount Marian?
Pick 1, 8/10. Cause X talaga siya. Tapos 2 and 3, nasa 6. 4, tapos etong summit yung nasa 3 na. Or 2. Kasi nakakapag-picture na kami, nakakapag-video na kami.
Beginner friendly for
No,
first time.
no. Hindi mo yun sinagot. Hindi mo yun sinagot. Beginner?
No. Kailangan may amount of sleep. Kasi kung wala kang sleep, goodbye.
Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit. No chance to hold. Sky is the limit. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight.
Super nakakapagod siya. But, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Like, I cannot. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Like, sobrang nakakapagod to. Yung trail na to pa, may isang segment na para na kaming nag-rock climbing but going down. We're finally here. Pahinga na lang. Tapos punta kami dun sa river and then we will do the swim. Wala lahat ng length ng kamay ko. Guys, hindi ko na alam kung anong itsura ko, pero nakababa na kami ng bundok. Like literally. Bumili kami ng sa malamig. And ang taba ng kamay ko. Tignan nyo, ang dami ng anik-anik. Kasi ginamit ko yung gloves for the climbing and everything. And of course, mag-river crossing na kami. Hindi ko naubos yung 2 liters ko na water, pero naubos ko yung 250 ko na Pocari Sweat. Tapos, yung tanging trail food na dala-dala ko, ang tangi ko lang nakain ay 2 banana. With all of the things that I have in the back, wala akong nakain dun. Wala tayong nakain sa lintik na trail food na yun. Guys, I think wala kayong time kumain kasi mas need nyong huminga. Kuya, pa-picture! Naliligo na tayo sa ilaw. Hi guys, it's 4:41 today. So, we're here ngayon sa Yakiniku. We usually order yung sukiyaki karubi because it's so good. This is our fave place sa SM North. Yung kaharap yung door. Ay, road. I have extra egg kasi ayaw na ng egg. Yummer! Favorite sauce. Ito din. I do my own thing. Instead na i-mix siya sa rice, I mix it kapag nandun na yung meat. So much better. Yum. Life is good. Yummers. Itong seaweed soup ng Yakiniku yung iniisip ko kung paano ko replicate because meron akong seaweed na dried sa bahay and I'm making my own like seaweed soup version kasi nga hindi ko alam paano ko to gagawin pero chicken seaweed soup yun. Ito sobrang sarap tapos sure na may sesame oil. Ang sarap na talaga pero hindi ko alam paano ko siya i-replicate. I mean, even closest to this, parang how? How is it? Isa sa nagustuhan ko sa egg ng sukiyaki is hindi siya yung typical egg sa atin na may after smell once na kapag nalunok mo na or wala na siya sa mouth mo, meron parang lingering smell. Ito soft boiled siya, pero walang lingering smell at all. So, hindi ko alam kung imported din ba tong egg na to. And imbes na ihalo yung egg, ayan, yung egg, ginagawa ko, sinasawsaw ko siya. The best. I'm contemplating if I'm going to buy this. So, I finally got one. May sinasira na yung mga ice maker ko. We're gonna be unboxing. Let's open this up. Everyone, and gabi na ngayon and nakabit na rin yung wheels niya, madali na siyang i-move around. The only thing that we need to do is to just put everything that needs to be put in the drawer. Accomplishing that by tomorrow na lang kasi para okay din yung lighting. But yan, good night everybody, I will see you on the next clip. Dito kami sa Storage Studios. Ay, wow! Dinala namin ito. Nandito yung kaso pinapaalam pa nila kung pwedeng mag-paint. Kapag hindi pwedeng mag-paint, edi next vlog ulit tayo. Magiging cafe na tong segment na to. Tapos nagdala rin kami ng Jaryo. Pero actually, meron daw i-offer na art classes. So, medyo contradicting siya sa gagawin nilang class. So, ewan ko kung magiging okay. Pag hindi to naging okay, sa bahay ko na lang to gagawin. Ang vibe nung chair nila, I really hope na marunong din ako mag-interior ng mga colors kasi parang ang hirap paresa ng mga kulay. Lalo kapag mga furniture, ganyan. Kung it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. So, anong gagawin natin? Kakain muna tayo or same boat, whatever. Ito, leche plan. Ito yung, ayan, ito. Gustong gusto ko to. Tsaka ito. Strawberry. It's called
Birdie berry.
Birdie Berry.
Yun ang order ko. Almond na?
Ooh.
Pucha. Malay ko rin.
Bakit?
Buhay na buhay yung flavor mo.
Let's go make some coffee. And I look crusty. I think this one is enough. You know what, guys? One of the things that I realized when I was living alone, even if you're alone, you need duplicates. Because sometimes there are just things that you wouldn't like to use if it's not dry. Kailangan mo siyang patuyuin, and sometimes for me it's a hassle. Oh no, is this gonna fit? Is this gonna fit? Guys, I slightly press my beans in the mocha pot para lang magkaroon ng structure yung beans sa loob ng pot. Guys, when you use mocha pot, you need a towel because once you put hot water in this container, it's not gonna be easy to hold. So let's cook this one. My choice of milk today is oat side. I have a new shot glass. I know coffee shouldn't be like taking your time, but I like my coffee taking time. Feels rewarding. I feel like I'm outside. The effort is really much appreciated. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's mix the condensed milk. Okay, I think it's good. It's always an experience, but I think I put a lot of milk. Taste this. First package. So it's around 4:10 and I've been talking a lot in this vlog. Look at our walls, it's pretty plain. Kaya nga naging addition din talaga tong curtain na to para magkaroon ng kahit konting personality. may laundry ako dyan, tapos may mga nakasampay pa ako sa labas, and currently I'm also doing laundry. I'm just doing some editing for social media. As of the moment, it's 3:27 in the afternoon. Gusto ko talaga actually mag-upgrade ng bed. Not really like upgrade, but in a way, mag-change ng size. Kasi nga, yung nakuha kong foam from my mom and dad is 2 different sizes. One is a single and one is a double. Pero hindi talaga siya uusto for this place. Super nakakapagod siya. Ang vibe nung chair nila,